Hello students of class 3. This is your computer class. Now we are continuing our chapter Basics of Computer. So next topic is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Okay. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is responsible for processing the data or input given by the user. All the parts of a computer are connected to the CPU through wires. CPU consists of three main parts. Okay students, it is used to process the data given by the user or the input given by the user processed with this CPU. Okay students, and all the parts of the computer are connected to the CPU like keyboard, mouse and other devices. Okay, CPU consists of three main parts. There are three main parts of CPU. First is arithmetic and logic unit, second is control unit, and third is memory unit. Okay, arithmetic and logic unit. All the calculation in the computer are done by ALU. So the calculation part in the computer are done by ALU, arithmetic logic unit. It performs arithmetic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So all the arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are done by ALU. It also performs logical calculations. Okay, it also performs logical calculations such as comparing two values, finding less than or greater than. Students, logical calculation means it compares the data or it compares the two values. Okay, whether it is less than or greater than. Okay students, then comes control unit. Control unit manages and checks all the computer activities. Control unit it manages the activities of a computer. Okay, and it also checks the activities of the computer. It controls the working of all the parts attached to the computer. So whatever the parts connected to the computer, it controls the working of these parts. Okay, next comes memory unit. Memory unit stores the data and instructions given to the computer for processing. If then passes this data to it then passes this data to ALU and MU. Memory unit stores the information given to the computer for processing. Understood? Means input goes directly into the memory unit. Okay, and then it passes to the ALU and MU. Okay, so ALU means it goes to ALU for processing, and after that the processed data comes directly into the MU means memory unit. Okay students, then comes hardware and software. A computer is categorized mainly into two parts. Okay students, so computer is categorized into two parts. First is hardware and second is software. Hardware is that part of a computer that you can touch and feel. So whatever the physical things are there in the computer which you can touch is called hardware, like keyboard, monitor, CPU, CD, microphone, pen drive, printer. Everything that you can touch is called hardware. The devices such as keyboard, mouse, CPU, CD are examples of hardware. Okay, then software. It is the program or set of instructions that tell the computer how to do a particular task. Okay, so software is a set of instructions. Okay, means it is a collection of commands which tells the computer how to do a particular task. Means किस तरीके से उसको काम करना है. You cannot touch or feel software. you cannot touch or feel software means physically you cannot touch it and you cannot feel it. Okay, for example, Paint, Word, Tux Paint, MS Word, MSW logo. Okay, these are the examples of software. Okay students, both hardware and software help computer to do its work, and these two altogether makes computer to work. Okay, without hardware and software a computer cannot work. So students, now our chapter is finished. Then tomorrow I will give you the exercises of this chapter. Okay students, thank you.